In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot missing ChatGPT conversations in the app. If a chat you need isn't showing up, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you figure out what's going on and how to fix it. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or spotty connection can prevent your conversations from syncing between devices. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data, moving closer to your router, or briefly toggling airplane mode off and on. Give the connection a moment to settle before you check again. Next, close and reopen the ChatGPT app. Fully quit the app, then relaunch it so it can refresh and resync your conversations. This quick reset often clears temporary glitches that hide recent chats. Now confirm you're signed into the correct account. Conversations are tied to the exact account you used before, including the same email or login method. Double-check the account details shown in the app's settings or profile area. If you accidentally switched accounts, you won't see your previous chats. If it's still not there, log in on a browser at chat.openai.com using the same account. This helps you determine whether the conversation exists on the server. If you see the chat on the web but not in the app, that points to a syncing issue on the device. If it's missing on both, keep going with the next steps. Update the ChatGPT app to the latest version from the App Store. App updates often include bug fixes and sync improvements. After updating, open the app and give it a moment to pull your conversations from the cloud. If you believe the conversation was lost due to a technical issue, contact OpenAI support. From the app or the Help Center on the web, share helpful details like the approximate date and time the chat went missing, your device model, and your operating system version. Avoid including any sensitive personal information. Support can investigate server-side issues and advise on next steps. A very important note, ChatGPT only stores conversations within your account. If you're using a different account or if you previously deleted a conversation, it cannot be restored. Keeping track of which account you're using and avoiding accidental deletions will help prevent future surprises. To recap, verify your connection, restart the app, confirm the correct account, check on the web, update the app, and reach out to support if needed. Follow these steps in order and you'll have the best chance of finding that missing conversation or understanding why it's not available. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to your work smoothly.